Here the question says a rectangle has width a centimeter and length 2a minus 5. So if this one is a rectangle, then width a and length 2a minus 5. Now the question says the perimeter of the rectangle. So we need to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. So what is the perimeter here? We know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So 2 multiplied by, what is length here? 2a minus 5. 2a minus 5. What is breadth here? A. Okay. So here 2 multiplied by 2a plus a, that is 3a minus 5. Now multiply 3a minus 5 by 2. We will get 2 3s are 6a minus 10. So this is the perimeter of this rectangle. Now the question says, according to the question, we can say the perimeter 6a minus 10 of the rectangle is greater than 20. So 6a minus 10 is greater than 20, but less than 38. But less than 38. So the question says write an inequality in A. So this is inequality. Now we need to solve it. So how can we solve it? At first we need to remove minus 10 from 6a minus 10. If we add 10, then what will we get? We will get 6a minus 10 plus 10. And here 38 plus 10. So 20 plus 10 will be 30, less than 6a, less than 38 plus 10 will be 48. Now if we divide each term by 6, then what will we get? 30 by 6 less than 6a by 6 less than 48 by 6. So 30 by 6 is 5, 6a by 6 is a, and 48 by 6 will be 8. And this is the required solution of question number 31.